Welcome my dear student. Question number 6, exercise 3.9. In a triangle ABC, if angle A equal to 60 degree, then prove that B plus C equal to 2 times A into cos B minus C by 2. That is our aim. So either take RHS and prove LHS or take LHS and prove RHS. So before that, given that ABC is a triangle, so which implies A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. So B plus C equal to what is A 60. So 180 minus 60. So 120. Okay. So now compare A and B plus C. So A is the half of B plus C. Okay. So B plus C by 2 equal to A. So keep this one. We are going to use it later. Okay. So take the RHS. 2A cos B minus C by 2. So use the sine formula. A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. So A equal to 2R sin A. Okay. Cos B minus C by 2. So just now I said that in the place of A we can replace B plus C by 2. So 2 into 2R. So take R outside. So 2R into 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. Okay. So listen my dear student. So it is of the form 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So take A as B plus C by 2 and B as B minus C by 2. So 2R into sin B plus C by 2 plus B minus C by 2 plus sin B, or we can separate it. Okay. So B by 2, C by 2, B by 2, C by 2. Similarly here P by 2 plus C by 2. So minus B by 2, minus of minus plus C by 2. Okay. So 2R into, so C by 2 minus C by 2 cancel. 2B by 2 is B sin B. Similarly B by 2 minus B by 2 cancel. 2 times C by 2, that is C. Okay. So now multiply inside 2R sin B plus 2R sin C. So 2R sin B is nothing but B small b and 2R sin C is small c. Again we are using the sine formula. Number 7, my dear student, there are 5 subdivisions. For all the 5, it is a triangle ABC. Prove in a triangle ABC, prove the following. The first subdivision is A into sine of A by 2 plus B equal to B plus C into sine A by 2. So again as usual we can take the LHS, prove RHS. So before that we have to take something. So it is a triangle. So A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. If we divide by 2, A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 90 degree. Okay. So we can use C plus B or B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay, so remember these things, we are going to use it later. So again take the RHS, B plus C into sin A by 2. Okay, so my dear student, again use the sine formula. B equal to 2R sin B, C equal to 2R sin C into sin A by 2. Okay, so take 2R outside. I am writing C first, sin C plus sin B. So that is for some arrangement. Okay, again use the formula sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So remember we are going to apply this. Put C equal to C and D equal to B. So 2 sin C plus B by 2 cos C minus B by 2 into sin A by 2. So 2r into 2. Okay, look at here. B plus C by 2 or C plus B by 2 is 90 minus A by 2. So put it here. 90 minus A by 2 cos C minus B by 2 into sin A by 2. All are product. I think no need to put the bracket. So anyway, keep it. So now again, what is sin 90 minus theta? So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 2r into 2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, into cos C minus B by 2 into sin A by 2. So now combine these two terms. 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. 2r into 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 cos C minus B by 2. Clear? So 2r into it is sin A. Are you clear? 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 is sin A into cos C minus B by 2. Okay. So here look at my dear student. 2r we can combine this. 2r sin A, no problem. 2r sin A is nothing but A. So first thing over. We have to concentrate the second term. Okay. So 2r sin A can be written as A. Okay. Cos C minus B by 2. Again it can be written as sin 90 minus theta. Okay. Consider it is C minus B by 2 as theta. Cos theta can be written as 90 minus theta. Okay. So again look at here. So 90 degree is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. So put it here, sin A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, minus, you can multiply inside, C by 2 minus into minus plus B by 2. So A sin, okay, look at here, A by 2, B by 2 plus B by 2, 2B by 2, C by 2 minus C by 2. So cancel. So A into sin of A by 2, 2B by 2 is B. So that is the LHS required aim. In a triangle ABC, prove that A into cos B plus cos C equal to 2 times B plus C into sin A by 2. So here take the LHS, that is subdivision 2 in question number 7, exercise 3.9. So A into cos B plus cos C. Okay. So we know that according to R, we can take the, sorry my dear student, there is a mistake in the question. So it is sin square A by 2. So instead of taking LHS, better we can get the RHS, because we already what we used the same procedure, we are going to use it here. So again we can use the concept present in the last question, first subdivision. That's why I am taking the RHS. So again 2 into, it can be written as using sin formula, 2r sin B, and C is 2r sin C. Once again recall the sin formula, A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2r. Okay. So sin square A by 2. Again take 2r outside, 2 into 2r into sin B, or we can write once again as like the previous question, sin C plus sin D. So already we applied the same, okay, same formula in the previous one. Sin C plus sin D is, okay, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D is B, okay, B by 2 into sin square A by 2. Okay. So already told you, instead of C plus B by 2, already told you A plus B plus C equal to 180. Okay. So by 2 equal to 90 degree. Instead of B plus C by 2, we can put 90 minus A by 2. So 2 into 2R into 2 sin 90 minus a by 2 cos, what we written, the same steps, what we written for the last subdivision, the same steps, okay. So 2 into 2r into, why I am writing 2 into 2 means we are going to cancel it later, okay. So it is cos a by 2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos c minus b by 2, okay, into sin square a by 2. Listen my dear student, so as like the previous one, we can combine these two terms. So 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, from the square take 1, okay, and remaining sin a by 2 cos c minus b by 2, okay. So 2 into 2r into, so it is sin a, okay. So again, what is sin a by 2? So sin a by 2 can be written as cos sin, okay. So 90 minus of b plus c by 2, a by 2 can be written as 90 minus of b plus c by 2 into cos c minus b by 2, okay. So 2, what we have to prove? So it is equal to a into cos b cos c. So 2 into, what is 2r sin a? It is a, okay. So 2r sin a is a, cos sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos b plus c by 2 into cos c minus b by 2, or we can write it as c plus b, both are the same, okay. So the next one, it is of the form, look at here, rearrange this, a into 2 times cos c, cos a into cos b, 2 times cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So we can write it as, okay, a into cos a plus b, sum of the 2, okay. So c by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 minus b by 2. So sum of the 2 into difference of the 2, c by 2 plus b by 2 multiply by the negative minus c by 2 plus b by 2, okay. So a into b by 2 cancel, 2 times c by 2 is c, so cos c, okay. And what is that? C by 2 minus c by 2 cancel, 2 times b by 2, that is cos b. So that is the LHS. Subdivision 3, question number 7, exercise 3.9. In a triangle ABC, prove that a square minus c square by b square equal to sin of a minus c by sin of a plus c. So again, my dear student, take the RHS, okay. So what is sin a minus b? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here put a b equal to c, that's all. Again, it is sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, okay. So again, remember my dear student, we are going to apply sine formula and cosine formula. So just look at the sine and cosine formula. So a by sin a, b by sin b, c by sin b, all the equal to 2r, and cos c equal to cyclic order. C means next a square, b square minus c square by 2ab. A means next b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. B means c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. We are going to apply these things. So sin a means a by 2r into cos c. So cos c is a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, okay, minus cos a b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc into sin c. So c by 2r, okay, divided by, so a by 2r, the same terms but instead of minus plus, okay. So a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab plus b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc into c by 2r. So listen my dear student, So C cancel, here A cancel, here A cancel, here also C cancel. So look at the numerator, 2 into 2, 4 RB is common, so 1 by 4 times R into B. Okay, remaining A square plus B square minus C square multiplied by the negative minus B square minus C square plus A square. Similarly, look at the denominator. So 4R into 2 into 2, 4 RB common. So 1 by 4 times R into B. So similarly, A square plus B square minus C square plus B square plus C square minus A square. So these two values cancel. Again, what we are getting? B square minus B square cancel. So what we are getting? 2 times A square minus 2 times C square. We can take 2 common. So 2 times A square minus C square, numerator. So denominator, A square minus A square cancel and C square minus C square cancel, 2 times B square. So 2 cancel, that is the LHS. Subdivision 4, question number 7, exercise 3.9. In a triangle ABC, prove that A into sine B minus C by B square minus C square equal to, again cyclic order, B into sine C minus A by C square minus A square equal to C into sine A minus B by A square minus B square. Our aim is to prove all the three are equal. So take the first term alone, A into sine B minus C by B square minus C square. So A by B square minus C square. Okay. Remaining, apply sin A minus B formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. So again we are going to apply sine formula and cosine formula. So A by B square minus C square into sin B is B by 2R into what is cos C? A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So minus what is cos B? C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA into sin C. So C by 2R. Okay. So this C cancel. Here B cancel. Okay. Again A by B square minus C square into, so what is common? 2 into 2, 4 AR is common, so 4 AR we can take it outside. Remaining A square plus B square minus C square multiplied by the negative minus C square. Okay, minus A square plus B square. Clear? So here A square minus A square cancel. Here A cancel. Okay. So 1 by 4R into B square minus C square into, so what we get? 2 times B square minus 2 times C square. So take 2 outside. So 2 into B square minus C square by 4R into B square minus C square. So B square minus C square cancel. So 2, we are getting 1 by 2R. So we are getting the first one is equal to 1 by 2R. Similarly, we can prove the second, B into sin C minus A by C square minus A square equal to 1 by 2R. Apply the same method. Okay, and prove it is. Similarly, the third one, C into sin A minus B by A square minus B square equal to 1 by 2R. All the three values are 1 by 2R. Therefore, all the three values are equal. Division 5, question number 7, exercise 3.9. The question is, in a triangle ABC, prove that A plus B by A minus B, small letter, equal to tan A plus B by 2 into cot A minus B by 2. So again it is very simple one. Take the LHS, A plus B by A minus B. Again consider the sine formula. A is 2R sin A, B is 2R sin B. Similarly the same thing. Okay, so take 2r in common and cancel. We are getting sin A plus sin B by sin A minus sin B. So sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus 3 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Direct formula, sum to product. Okay, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 2 cancel. So separate into 2. First one into second one. Sin by cos is tan A plus B by 2. Again cos by sin is cot. So cot A minus B by 2. That is the RHS.